Hey, today I'm going to be reviewing a screwdriver set from Saker. I've done some reviews of other Saker products in the past, and I'm still using a lot of those today. So I feel this is going to be another product that I'm probably going to hang on to and keep in my toolbox. So this is a screwdriver set. It comes with 40 extensions, 40 bits, 3 extensions, and then the ratchet. Now you have your standard Phillips and Flathead screwdrivers, but what I find most important is the tamper resistant ones. So these are your hex heads with a little hole in the tip. So these are made to get out screws you're going to find in a lot of appliances, like your laptop, your automobile, anywhere where the factory doesn't want you to get into something, they'll put a tamper resistant screw on there. I find it very convenient to have one of these around, especially for anyone who's going to be a handyman or handy woman. And is one going to try and fix something. There was a GE stove that I fixed a while back, and it required one of these bits, and that's the first time I actually had to buy a bit set. So I do have another set of tamper resistant bits, but they're all thrown in with all my other bits. The nice thing about this is it comes in this nice carrying case, keeping everything organized. So I'm definitely going to keep everything in here this time and not throw it in with all my other junk. Does have kind of a unique ratchet here. The ratchet does have magnets, but you can set it up in this format to where it's just like a normal ratchet. You can have it set up more like if you need to get in there and get some twisting leverage on there. These are also extensions, so if you need to get down into a deeper spot, when you get down to a really deeper spot, you can kind of organize this in several different ways, which is really nice. Like I said, I got the magnets in the end, so your bits are always going to hang in there nice and tight. They're not going to come out. The nice thing about the magnets is that, especially if you're ever dealing with like a laptop, you're doing some really tiny screws, is that your screws should also be magnetized and stick to your bit as well. If for some reason it doesn't, though, inside here, the case, this little dot at the bottom has a magnet in there. So if you take your screw and rotate around inside there a couple times, it'll usually pretty temporarily give a magnetic field to that screw to help it stick as well. So that's a super handy feature to have there. So I'll put a link in the description to where you can purchase this product at, and check out some of Saker's other products. Like I said, I've done a few reviews on other things that they offer, and like I said, I'm still using several of them, so they don't make a bad product. But again, that link will be in the description. Be sure to check them out.